Welcome to the HotHealth training module on adding events. In this module, you'll learn how to create, schedule and manage events on your HotHealth site, so you can keep your community engaged, promote upcoming activities and ensure attendees have the information they need. To access the event settings, click on the Profile button and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the section Settings and click Events. This will open the Event Settings page where you have several options. Go to Events, view past events and add a new event. Within this section, you may update the section name, enable or disable the visibility of the events section and set permissions for who can manage the page. Click Go to Events to view all currently available events in the system. Select View Past Events to access past or inactive events. To add a new event, click New Event. In the Events Editor, enter a title. Add the date and time, duration of the event, frequency, reminder, and location. You may also add details of the event and have the option to attach a photo, video or PDF file for additional customization. Events can be made visible to all users by selecting public or restricted to a specific group if preferred. You can request responses to track attendee numbers and set a limit on available spots if needed. Additionally, enable email notifications to alert users when a new event is scheduled. Once all settings are configured, click Publish to make your event live. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.